Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, just open Settings and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Now scroll down just a bit and click on Printing. Finally, you can click on the footprint service and wait. Your device is searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one thanks to this blue switcher. Then go back, click on Add Service and install the best one for you. I will go with HP1. When your new service is ready, just go back to the same settings. Then click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!